Hey guys, tonight we're heading deep, and I mean deep, into a forgotten rainforest, where the trees breathe louder than you do and everything, from the smallest beetle to the mossy stones, seems to have its own little opinion about your presence. The air is thick, like someone boiled a stew of leaves and memory, and the birds. Well, let's just say they're louder than your group chat at 2 a.m. This isn't a vacation. You probably won't survive this, to be honest. But that's okay, because we're not here to win. We're here to wander. So, before you get comfortable, take a moment to like the video and subscribe, but only if you genuinely enjoy what I do here. And hey, drop your city and